welcome back to my channel. Today I have a polygel kit from Ohuhu Beauty to review. I have not tried anything from them before yet, and they were kind enough to send over a whole kit of 8 colors of polygel for me to try out. So we're going to get into opening up this kit, swatching out the colors. So yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, so this kit is their glitter color series and it goes for $30 on Amazon. So this is what the kit looks like once I open it up. We have this little card here. This is the instructions here. This polygel uses forms, which I have not tried out before, so this will be my first time doing that. Kind of hard to get some of this stuff out with my nails. Here is the polygel brush. We have here the brush on one side, and then here we have the little metal spatula. We have a file here. Then we have a little cuticle pusher here. I was surprised that they included this. And we have here the slip or cleaning solution. And then since this is their glitter series, they did send 4 different pots of loose glitters. I see that these do have a seal on them, which is very good because I don't see that any of them have spilled. A lot of times when I'm getting powders or glitter in the mail, I'll find that it has kind of spilled, but they all have these little seals on them. Here we have the base coat and the top coat, and then of course we have the 8 different polygels here. So first we have a clear, which would be helpful if you need to encapsulate something, and then we have a white, and then we have a pink, and then a red, and then we have a few glitter shades. Now I found that all these colors seem to match very well what the front of the bottle showed. In terms of color, I found it to be pretty consistent. Now I'm going to do a nail on my mannequin hand with the polygel. I'm going to marble it. I think I'm going to do a couple of the solid colors and then maybe 1 glitter color and then some loose glitter from here. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys a clip of what I did coming up, so let's get into that. Alright, so I wasn't originally planning to, but I am actually going to do my own nails with the polygel from this kit. So first of all, here what my nails look like. My thumbnail did break, but it wasn't actually my actual natural nail that broke. That line there was where my nail had broke quite a while back, but the polygel on it actually broke because I was using nail clippers to cut down the length, and I think it put some cracks into it, so it just cracked it too much. So I'm going to take my e-file, and I have a diamond bit, and I'm just going to buff off the gel polish on there, easy. Now, I think I accidentally deleted the clip when I did this pinky nail, but don't worry because I will show you the ombre that I did here on my pointer nail again. So anyways, on the first nail, I did do that pink with the iridescent color ombre. This whole set is going to be, the theme of it will be glitter definitely, and there'll be pink on almost each nail, so it'll be very fun. The ring nail, super easy. I'm just doing the iridescent glitter. So here I am showing you guys the application of the polygel. I found it very easy to work with. I used the slip solution on this brush and I was able to pat it and shape it easily, and that was that. I also found that I would often squeeze out way too much polygel than what I needed, so I just always told myself to do a little bit less, and it always seemed to work out. On the ring nail, I'm going to do the pink, and we're going to do half of the nail. So I'm going to use the brush to guide the polygel down a diagonal line of the nail, and then I'm going to cure that. Then I'm going to take this purplish glitter, which is super pretty, and put that on the other part of my nail where it didn't have it, and here I'm just kind of awkwardly pushing it around trying to spread it out. And I found this worked pretty well. It wasn't like perfect, but with the glitter you couldn't really tell. So yeah, I really liked how this nail turned out. So on the pointer nail, I'm going to take a good amount of the pink and place it at the cuticle, shape it, and just pat it down around there, and then pull it forwards and not really give full coverage to the tip of the nail. And that's because we're going to take some more of that iridescent polygel and put it at the tip, and I'm just kind of awkwardly patting down and pushing it backwards with my brush. What am I doing? And so after playing around with that for a while, I finally became happy and cured it, and after each time I'm just wiping off the inhibition layer. I don't think you need to do this, but I'm just doing it because I don't like feeling the tackiness. So now on the thumb I'm going to do a marble. I liked how the one on my mannequin hand turned out, so I'm going to use pretty much all the same colors, except here I think I put a bit more white than I did with the other, so it turned out looking more of a white and pink marble. But I really liked how it turned out. I kind of scooped it up and it was very stringy, putting it on the nails like cheese or something. But I took the brush, patted it down nice and smooth, and I really love how it turned out. So cute. At first I felt like the marble didn't really seem to fit in this design at all, so I just made sure that when I would do my other hand, I would have the marble in that other hand as well, so it would actually look like it fit, and not put it on the thumb. I don't think it quite fits on the thumb. Okay, so now I'm going to file these. I'm just using the file that they included in the kit. It is pretty rough. So now I brush these all off and I'm going to top coat them. This is the Ohuhu top coat. And I'm just going to apply this to the nails. And oh, it's just so cool seeing all that glitter become shiny again. So here I'm just going and applying that top coat. And I actually felt like I wasn't quite happy with how the gloss turned out with just one layer of the top coat. So actually on this hand I went and did another layer of the top coat. Alright, so I actually went and did my other hand off camera. I didn't show it, but here you can see what I did. Pretty much the same as on my other hand, except I put the marble on the pointer nail instead. And on the ring nail, I did the purple glitter, which I love so much. Probably my favorite one from the collection. But after I finish that, you can see here that I'm using a needle head bit on my e-file to just clean up around my thumbnail, where even despite my best effort, some of the polygel I kind of spilled out. So guys, here is the finished look. What do you guys think of this? I think it's quite a change from what you saw me taking off my nails at the beginning of this video, but I really love it. And as this is a polygel, it does not soak off. So this is a file off product only. That is probably why the file that came with this kit was so gritty, and I'll probably use an e-file to take off most of the bulk of it. But that is the video for it today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below your thoughts on this design I did. I look forward to reading about what you guys have to say. And yeah, if you're interested in this kit, I will have a link for it below on Amazon. So thank you again for watching this little review, and I will hope to see you next Wednesday in my next video. So until next time, have a magical day.